The future of farming is here, and it's more advanced than we ever imagined. Get ready to witness the machines that are transforming the industry, one field at a time. Two class forage harvesters working in sync, both unloading into a single Kirby 40-foot silage trailer, pulled by a powerful JCB fast track. Efficient harvesting at its finest. With a capacity of over 30 tons, this setup is built for serious silage work. The compact CM01 is a modular fruit harvesting machine designed for flexibility and efficiency. With quick setup options for a work platform or semi-automatic harvesting system, it adapts easily to your needs. Its automatic bin unloading system saves time and reduces manual labor, while the compact frame makes it ideal for orchards of all sizes. A revolutionary tool in modern farming, the AutoPick GTI is Tree Shaker, designed to enhance efficiency in large-scale tree harvesting. With its cutting-edge vibration technology, it processes trees with incredible precision, seamlessly adapting to various tree sizes and environmental factors. This machine optimizes output while reducing labor and resource consumption. Powered by mowing equipment John Deere 6 R230 and paired with CLS Disco 3200FC and 9200C, this setup delivers fast, clean mowing across a 9-meter width. Active float suspension maintains smooth cutting while safeguarding forage, an efficient and reliable solution for today's farmers. Handling tough terrains and delicate crops is a breeze with Portal Tractor Highlander V70. Its portal axle not only provides superb stability, but it also distributes weight evenly, preventing soil damage. The machine's design offers exceptional versatility, allowing you to switch tasks seamlessly from tilling to tree transport. When working with high-value crops, this piece of machinery ensures that every movement is precise and efficient, protecting your investment while increasing productivity. You've seen plenty of bale wrappers, but have you ever wondered how those bales are unloaded? With the BF 8000 SL bale feeder, the process is smooth and efficient. The hydraulic arm places the bale on the feeding table, and the apron chain rotates it, while retractable drum fingers carefully unravel the hay for easy feeding. This machine is built for heavy-duty use, handling bales up to 6 feet and 2,500 pounds with ease. A major challenge in modern farming is chemical overuse, which damages soil and ecosystems. The sprayer AgBot 2.055 watts 3 with Hall's Precision Tech sprays only what's needed, where it's needed, a smart move towards sustainable agriculture. The Verhost cabbage harvester helps farmers reduce hard labor and increase productivity, especially when harvesting large fields. The machine operates steadily, is durable, and easy to operate, making the harvesting process much smoother. Integrating real-time kinematic GPS technology into vineyard post-installation enables sub-centimeter precision that was previously unattainable through conventional mechanical methods. The system's ability to automatically correct positioning using digital terrain models allows the machine to adjust for slope variations and irregularities in soil composition. This represents a significant advancement in the standardization of agricultural infrastructure, aligning it with industrial-grade accuracy. Preserving soil health requires cultivating winter barley stubble with minimal soil disturbance. The John Deere 8RX 370 horsepower tractor, with its even weight distribution, combined with the shallow tillage capability of the Vaderstad Swift 720 cultivator, helps retain organic matter in the This flower pot filling machine standardizes production processes. Its consistent soil compression ensures optimal density for healthy root development, the foundation for quality seedling production. Equipped with a strong hydraulic system, the pruning machine FLHD 900 handles tasks such as tilting the cutter, rotating the head, and moving easily over various terrains. Its adjustable cutting angle and adaptable working range enable access to difficult areas, optimizing work efficiency with minimal effort. The 6000 TS prototype was developed with the goal of enhancing productivity and minimizing errors in the cutting process through full automation. Its automated system optimizes production, reduces human error, and improves precision in every cut. Indeed, the Midema MB111 is a highly efficient, automated solution for box filling, destacking, and stacking. With its ability to process up to 105 tons per hour, the machine eliminates the need for human intervention. It streamlines the entire packing process, improving productivity and ensuring consistent, high-quality results. Tired of bending over rows of spinach? Let the Ortomec 8400 baby spinach harvester combines do the heavy lifting for you. Its specialized cutting mechanism helps maintain leaf quality while operating at field-ready speeds. A balanced solution for growers looking to ease harvest pressures without sacrificing produce standards. The Collier & Miller cotton cartage trailer features a flexible frame system that enhances productivity and reduces logistics costs. Each cotton roll is color-coded, making sorting by destination effortless, eliminating confusion, reducing errors, and speeding up the loading process. Safe, certified, and thoroughly tested, this trailer sets a new benchmark in cotton logistics. Just listen to that satisfying click. 3 kernels dropping perfectly with each pass. Behind it all is beautifully restored 1954 Farmall Super MTA, powered with M&W upgrades, and pulling a classic John Deere JD495A hill drop corn planter. It's old-school power meeting precision planting. Farmers once spent countless hours harvesting olives by hand. With mechanical harvesters, they can now cover entire orchards in just a day. Custom built for Peter Boyd, this Jaden Enterprises 15-bale accumulator stands out in New Holland yellow and black. Designed for speed and ease, it streamlines small bale collection across his Cowra property, saving time and reducing labor. At the demonstration event organized by Dagros, Nuya, and Veristar, Agrifex's high-tech sprayers proved why they are a game-changer in modern agriculture. With ultra-precise application technology, GPS-guided spraying, and eco-efficient systems, these machines ensure that every droplet counts. Farmers benefit from reduced chemical use, lower environmental impact, and improved crop health. It's not just about spraying, it's about precision farming in action. Before the invention of modern golf course renovation equipment, all the work, raking, planting, and leveling, had to be done manually. Now, with these advanced machines, the process is faster, cleaner, and more precise than ever. The rock clearing machine is ready to eliminate those stubborn stones before the new season begins, ensuring the field is prepared for planting and the soil remains free of obstacles. Organic farmers rely on flame weeding to eliminate weeds without using chemicals. One quick pass of the flame and the weeds vanish, leaving no residue and no regrets. What a clever machine. It lines up 10 plant pots in perfect rows at once, saving so much time. Mac couldn't resist joking, "If this machine watered the plants as well, I'd be out of work." It's clear that automation is revolutionizing gardening. Ask any seasoned grower, and they'll tell you, bean picking used to take forever. With the Green Bean Harvester BH100, those long days are gone. It picks everything: green beans, wax beans, even purple hull peas, and it does it without bruising the crop. Refurbished or not, this machine works like a trusted farmhand. The planting system from Lionstar is designed for high-speed operation, capable of planting 14,000 cuttings per hour. Equipped with an automatic protective screen that closes in 7 minutes, it offers both efficiency and safety. This system is perfect for large-scale nurseries, optimizing workflow while maintaining high standards of plant quality and protection. Ideal for modern pumpkin farms, the Imion S1000 offers a reliable solution for both seed planting and plastic mulch application. Its dual functionality significantly improves farm productivity, buy-in time spent on planting and soil protection. Enjoy changing tractor belts at 3 a.m.? The AgBot 5.115 T2 doesn't. No oil, no overheat, just a quick battery swap, and it's back to bullying weeds into submission. This leak washing and peeling machine is a lifesaver for farmers and vegetable processors. Just load the leaks, and the machine automatically cleans off dirt, removes tough outer layers, and trims the roots. The output looks neat and professional, helping you fetch better market prices. The sorting mechanism relies on sieves with progressively sized holes. As garlic moves over the surface, it drops through the hole that matches its size, thanks to vibration or slight rolling. It's an efficient solution without any electronic sensors. Operating with surprising smoothness, the coconut peeler slices off the shell effortlessly, almost like peeling an apple. Clean, controlled, and efficient. Utilizing mechanical efficiency, the machine clears weeds without relying on sprays or chemicals. Garlic grows strong and healthy, free from weed interference, as they are removed before they can sprout. The Hemo Screw Ditch Cleaner, operated by Loonbedrijf Heidsma BV, showcases cutting-edge technology for maintaining waterways in the most efficient way possible. Its robust auger system efficiently removes sediment and debris from the canal bed, allowing water to flow freely while maintaining the integrity of the surrounding soil. The precision of this machine ensures minimal disruption, keeping the ecosystem intact as it works tirelessly. After the Macintosh apples are harvested, full bins are carefully loaded onto the trailer for transport to the processing plant. Every bin represents hours of labor and the promise of fresh, quality apples reaching the market. Harvesting lavender has never been more efficient. This machine gently picks the flowers while keeping their rich scent intact, ensuring they are ideal for use in perfumes, oils, and even culinary creations. It's a must-have for boosting productivity on lavender farms. Grain packaging is a breeze now. Just watch and relax. Have to applaud the creativity of farmer with this do-it-yourself garlic planter. Garlic cloves are transferred from the bin to small pots, and as the machine moves along, they're buried into the ground. Simple yet incredibly effective. No labor wasted and still high yielding. Well, this machine's giving the driver a grass shower. Just what he needed, right? The multi-purpose potato digger, the smart choice for modern farmers. Whether the terrain is smooth or uneven, this machine operates smoothly, lifting soil, collecting roots, filtering out debris, and delivering the harvest via conveyor. Perfect for potatoes, carrots, onions, ginger, turmeric, and more. With its precise automated arms, the Yanmar VP40 rice transplanter plants seedlings at perfect intervals and the right depth, making sure they grow strong and healthy. If my grandparents could see this, they'd be so happy. No more bending under the blazing sun, and the rows are as neat as can be, almost like magic. It's a deceptively simple mower, but the force it generates while cutting through grass is truly impressive. With just a little push, it makes the whole lawn look neat and tidy in no time. Designed with comfort and efficiency in mind, the electric self-propelled Cat 8 lets you work lying down, reducing fatigue during planting, weeding, and harvesting. With adjustable width, ergonomic design, and joystick control, it's easy to use. The lithium battery lasts 8 to 10 hours, charges quickly, and optional features like solar panels and removable bins make it ideal for smart farming. Watch this little beast zip through the field, slice, tie, and repeat. Rice harvesting has never looked this smooth. Just a light swipe and the tool's sharp blades do all the work, making the tea leaves drop effortlessly. It looked more like a hair salon session than a harvest. The first step in chili processing involves a primary sorting machine, designed to eliminate leaves and debris, retaining only clean fruit. Say goodbye to weeds and hello to a clean garden. This machine runs between your trees, collecting every weed in sight, all while leaving your trees untouched. It's a high-tech solution that combines speed and care. This isn't just a plow, it's proof that when a farmer gets creative, anything is possible. These machines are shaping the future of farming. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mega Hub to stay ahead in the world of agricultural technology.